everyone! Today I'm going to be giving you a little lesson in tension when it comes to tying your macrame knots. Tension is something that is very important if you are looking to elevate your macrame projects to that next level and give it a polished and even look. Tension is how tight you make your macrame knots. So whether that is a square knot or a different knot, tension works the same way. You want to pull your knots tight enough so that it closes any negative space, but you don't want to pull them too tight so that the knots start to look a little wonky and out of place. Here on the left, I show you guys a really loose square knot. There's a lot of negative space left, and it causes the knot to be a little bit bigger than you probably would want. The example here in the center shows a knot pulled extremely tight, lots of tension here, and what this does is it causes my knot to be very, very small. And here on the right is my natural tension, where I pull what feels natural, so I'm not over pulling, but I'm also not leaving it super, super loose. Now everyone's going to have a different natural tension, and what is important is that you use the same tension evenly throughout your projects. So here I'm showing you guys what it looks like when you change up your tension. What happens is this makes my project not have an even look, so it doesn't look as professional as I would like it to. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like when I make all my knots completely the same tension, uniformed, and as perfect as I can. It just gives a nicer appearance, everything's even, and it just looks all around more polished. There are some instances where you might want a really tight tension. Maybe if you're making a hammock or a swing, you want that to be really tight and secure. And sometimes you might want that looser tension as well. So it's a personal preference, but again, the most important thing is that you keep your knots uniformed throughout the project. That is what is going to cause you to have this even and nice polished look. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.